Not Republic was the first channel to get an exclusive interview with Mehul Choksi, and now we've been able to access an audio clip. In this audio clip, Mehul Choksi says that he is willing to cooperate with the agencies as far as the investigation is concerned. I straight away want to bring in our senior legal executive editor, Rhythm Anand Bhardwaj, who's with me on the phone line. Rhythm, this is important. He says that he is willing to cooperate. What exactly does he mean?
The larger point, Suesha, that we have to look at is not that he's willing to cooperate, but the fact that he continues playing the victim card, and he's also extremely panicked. In a conversation that we've accessed today, he says 3 times, I am back in Antigua and I have been told by the Dominican courts not to leave Antigua, which is very clear. He's very clear that the Indian mission is going to get him. He's very clear that our case is watertight in the Dominican as well as the Antiguan court to get him extradited. And that is why this fabricated story of a victim being played out by Mehul Choksi at this later stage. He also mentioned several times in this audio clip that he believes that these 50 days were the black days of his life, which is also something that he mentioned in the interview to me 2 days ago. This is an indication of one thing. Mehul Choksi is panicked. He's crestfallen, he's downcast, he's scared, and now he's running to try and blame India to ensure that he's not been sent back, and he wants that message to come out. As he plays the victim card, the one thing is also very clear. As Mehul Choksi gets his first taste of prison, he's realized how tough it is going to be, and he's going to try every trick in the book to ensure he's not brought back. Let me also tell our viewers that the Indian mission has been very strongly working together. The diplomatic vision of the government that has been ensuring a diplomatic coup with the Antiguan as well as the Dominican government, the legal mission that is being led by Queen's Counsel and Senior Advocate Hari Salve, as well as the ED and the CBI working together to ensure the charges are there, the extradition procedure is in place, and Mehul should be brought back to India extremely soon.
All right, then let's listen into that audio clip, because he says that those 50 days were the black days of my life, and also indicating that he is ready to cooperate. What exactly does he mean? Let's listen into his words.
मैं घर वापस आ गया हूँ, लेकिन इस यातना ने मुझ पर मनोवैज्ञानिक और आत्मीय रूप से स्थायी निशान छोड़े हैं। मैं कभी भी अब कल्पना नहीं कर सकता था कि मेरे सारे व्यवसाय बंद कर देने के बाद, मेरी सभी संपत्तियां को जब्त करने के बाद, यह प्रयास भारतीय एजेंसी द्वारा मुझ पर किया जाएगा। मैंने हमेशा एजेंसियों के मुझसे पूछताछ करने के लिए यहाँ आने के लिए कहा था, क्योंकि स्वास्थ्य संबंधी समस्याओं के कारण मैं अब यात्रा नहीं कर पा रहा था। कोई भी डॉक्टर की सलाह थी कि मैं 2-3 घंटे से ज़्यादा फ्लाई करना मेरे लिए बहुत डेंजरस है। मैं एजेंसियों के सहयोग के लिए हमेशा उपलब्ध था, लेकिन इस अमानवीय अपहरण की मुझे कभी उम्मीद ही नहीं थी। डोमिनिकन कोर्ट ने ऑर्डर दिया है कि मुझे अब एंटीगा में रहना होगा और वहाँ से बाहर नहीं जा सकता हूँ, जबकि पहले अपनी बेगुनाही साबित करने के लिए लौटने पर गंभीरता से मैं विचार कर रहा था, और कभी भी मैं स्वास्थ्य मेरी सुधरने पर मैं आने का सोच रहा था। मेरा स्वास्थ्य की स्थिति अभी बहुत ख़राब हो गई है। मेरा अपहरण के पीछे 50 दिनों मेरे जीवन के सबसे ख़राब दिन रहे हैं और काले दिन रहे हैं। यह दिन काफ़ी अमानवीय थे। वे और मेरे भारत में अपनी सुरक्षा के लेकर अभी मैं गंभीर, और मेरा फैमिली भी बहुत गंभीर चिंता और आशंकित है।